I'll be shaving my hair without product.
Okay. Now there is one concern, guys. Okay, the concern is the length. Okay, now you just take out one piece and just check the length. Technically, I have to put it on the upper length because the length is not very long.
It's short.
Yeah. Where was all this hair all this time? The length during the training. Okay, guys.
This was tied up, otherwise it's all with the product.
See,
and
even if I would
stand down.
see the length over here of the horseshoe, and even if I would see the length over here, it's quite drastic, huh? The length. Second thing, again the shape of the hair. This is gonna open up, okay, to a bit once you start brushing the hair. But again, she can apply a product. I think with the product, no, with the product, I think it would be closer to this.
Yeah.
Your hair. Now it is something which is glass dried without a conditioner and
Yes.
without a curling product. Okay. So what we are gonna do is we're not gonna put much at the ends. Okay, because nothing is gonna be visible over here. Okay. What we're gonna work is around this portion. Can you see this portion? Just to figure out the blending as well as the feeling of the product. Okay. So now, can somebody remove a profile and a radial? Okay. And I need a straightening iron. What was your last second? Yeah.
I think 1.5 minutes. I just do a trimming because I'm actually with the curls it's very difficult to cut that hair because they go very short with my hair.
Or they don't understand the curl
So
haircut
I'll be
theory.
taking, so I'm going to be taking the haircut from Rukmini very soon. I'll be taking from her, we never get time.
Okay. Don't on it, huh? I just wanted just for pressing the thing. Just remove the sections now. Or maybe give me a sequel.
Are we going to be putting on the sides? But that length will be okay, right?
It's okay.
Where is Rukmini? We need to see it also. Go ahead.
Because I had a very bad experience when I did a haircut.
Over here.
No, not so. Long back before I joined VLCC. I mean VLCC in last 4.5 years.
Okay.
So prior to that, it's a renowned salon, and it was my birthday. My length was the same. They had actually, I use the word chopped. They have chopped it till here, and after it dried up, it came.
Where was this place?
So you look beautiful.
No, please.
Where was this place?
This was Nalini Yasmin.
Okay.
What happened?
She's praising about them.
No, he's telling, when did you do your last haircut? I said, I just trimmed it. I'm waiting, So probably
I don't
I'll take
understand
haircut from
the
you, ma'am.
terminology trimming only.
Trimming in the sense, it was just a straight thing which was done, only this much of length. No layers, nothing was
Okay,
done in my
guys, you
hair.
should never
That's why.
use crocodiles. Okay, or neither butterflies. Okay, you should always use flat clips. Technically, as a hairdresser, if you want to call yourself, you have to use something which is professional. Okay, now you have to be careful because she's having one extension over here. You want to do what?
So what you're doing is sectioning the hair and planning
Yeah, the placements.
the placement.
Because the length is a barrier. Because the length that we have right now is almost half of our natural hair.
that's
length.
what.
Yeah.
So what we are doing is we are gonna play around
Only the-
occipital and the lower crown section. Yeah.
I need to style your hair.
That's what I was
That's
telling.
what she
I'm
said.
waiting for ma'am to do that for me. We never get time only to do all that.
Do it when you all in the car together. When
We are never
when
in the car also
But like Rukmini ma'am is driving and she'll do
Can
it
I
for
get a
you.
towel?
I will-
It's okay.
This hair goes here.
This is a challenge to do curly hair also because छोटे छोटे बाल भी ना इधर उधर जाएंगे.
You can just leave it up. You can always put a cape also, but towel is good enough. Okay, now before starting off, can get one more clip. You should prepare your station. Okay, the station, what all things you would require is your extensions. Can I get one trolley? And that is my kit also. Yeah.
We should put it in the SOP properly, no?
Okay, this is what oil.
जावेद, ट्रॉलीज पे ऑयल क्यों है?
वो उसकी है ना वो लीकेज की
आपकी कौन सी है? बता दो कौन सी है?
वो है
दीदी, तो आपको देना ही है. चलो आगे आ जाओ, आपका सेंटर है.
चलो मैं भी हो गया
Okay. What you would require for this service is a needle comb. Okay, not the tail comb. A needle
Pin tail comb.
Yeah, pin tail comb. You would require a flat iron. Okay, without keeping it on. Huh?
No, it's not on from here, but switch it off.
Huh,
from there
switch it off
also.
from there, and you
One
do not
button.
connect it. You can remove it.
अच्छा, इस तरफ
नहीं
है, इस तरफ है।
नहीं, निकाल दो उसको. हाँ, उसको ऐसे लगाने की
हमको सिर्फ
जरूरत
वो
नहीं.
glue press करने के लिए चाहिए।
और वो आयरन ले लो. Okay. You will be requiring the clips, which are the extension clips.
Make a note of it and we'll order one this box for all the centers, yeah?
Yeah, extension clips. Okay, this is the right clips for using it for skin widths. You cannot use the longer ones. You have to use the same size and it has to be flat. It cannot have any shape into it. This is
We'll
the
get this,
extension.
no?
Keep a few with you, na?
clips.
So you know
Okay.
what to.
Now, what we will do, we'll take this one section. There has to be somebody to help you because the hair will get pulled. Now, if you will see her length, again, like I said, we are not going to work on the lower half. Okay, slightly I would put maybe till the occipital maybe. You have to be real gentle because you know the hair will get pulled. Sorry.
The section should be absolutely horizontal
Horizontal. Yeah.
because that day this one was saying na whenever she does lot of extensions, so she said don't go you
According to
or
the-
just
You
go
have-
horizontal.
It has to be horizontal.
Horizontal. And it's easy and straightforward then.
Hmm.
You don't have to be adventurous.
Okay.
You
Again,
can't take diagonal.
Yes,
she
yes,
No.
said.
yes.
It has to go like I
Horizontal.
said, natural fall. You know, I use the word natural fall. It cannot be over directed because a natural fall of the hair is this.
Mm.
And if you will take a diagonal forward, or if you will take a diagonal back, what will happen?
Yes.
You will go against the natural fall of the hair. So that is over directed. But the extensions are gonna fall how? Natural only. So you cannot change the fall of the hair. Sectioning is very important in terms of precision, and especially with curly hair because it is gonna have a lot of broken pieces. Okay, now can you check her bulbous section, that is the occipital? Where is it? It's here. So I'm putting it down than the occipital. Okay. There is no point on putting the extension over here. Okay, so what I am doing, I'm putting an extension on this part. Now, whenever you're putting an extension, it is always advisable to see the length. Okay, the length of the section, and you have to see the length of your tips also. Now, if you will see the length of the tips, how much do you feel can we put? Almost three slices. So the first one, it's gonna be mid, then you will put the left, and then you will put the right. You won't start from the left. It is the same thing you will do while we doing a haircut. We'll start with the mid section, then we do the left, and then we do the right. Technically, for extensions also, if we are putting 3 or 4 pieces, you'll always start from the mid, and then you will divert it to the left and the right. Very important. So understanding the density also. Now, if you can see all this smaller hair, okay, which is coming, what I will do is I'll use my because these are the hair which is gonna pull if it comes in the slices. So what I will do is I will comb the hair like this, okay, and then I will use my clips to secure it. Is the clip okay, ma'am?
Yeah.
So you have to be very careful that the clip is okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide my section into 3 equal. Okay, you have to be careful that neither of the hair is coming in contact with the section. Okay, now the skin wefts are like sandwiches. So the 2 bread slices is gonna be your weft, and the filling is gonna be your real hair. Okay, so whenever you're removing the filling, it is a diet sandwich. क्या होगा ये? डाइट सैंडविच रहेगा, ज़्यादा फिलिंग नहीं होगा, बहुत कम बटर लगाएंगे. So it's gonna be a चटनी सैंडविच जिसमें बटर भी बहुत कम है, चटनी भी बहुत कम है और ब्राउन ब्रेड है ये. Okay, so the sections that you are gonna take as a filling has to be not very fine also, but not very thick also. ज़्यादा फाइन लेंगे तो क्या होगा, आपका इसका वेट आपको ज़्यादा लगेगा, ज़्यादा थिक लोगे तो क्या होगा, थिक नहीं होगा. ओके, सो आइडियल कितना होगा मैं आपको बताता हूँ. अगेन इट हैज टू बी हॉरिजॉन्टल. लाइक हम लोग स्लाइस लेते हैं, हाईलाइट जब हम करते हैं तो हम लोग क्या लेते हैं, स्लाइस लेते हैं. यू वांट टू फील द सेक्शन हाउ मच इट इज. Yeah, it's not very fine, it's not very thick also. Okay, now after you're removing the section, this is the section which is gonna work as your filling. Okay, so what you will do, you will twist this part, okay, and then again you will secure this. What you will do, you will secure it. Okay, now उसके नीचे में ये जो सेक्शन होगा, ये आपका क्या आएगा, फर्स्ट ब्रेड का स्लाइस आएगा. सो यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल विथ ऑल दिस थिंग. दिख रहा है? एंड देन व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज आई एम गोना पुट वन मोर क्लिप. आइडियली आई डोंट पुट वन मोर क्लिप बिकॉज मैं डायरेक्टली एक्सटेंशन लगाता हूँ. Because it is curly and it is frizzy, there is a lot of broken hair. So what I would do is to play safe. Now I will take my one weft, okay, while removing the weft also you have to remove it like this. You getting it? This is short, so it's still okay. But when the wefts are long na, if you will remove like this ऐसा ऊपर की तरफ ना, everything will get entangled. So while removing the weft you have to remove it नीचे, not ऊपर की तरफ. Okay? Now if you would see यहाँ पे टेप लगाया हुआ है, तो आपका पोजीशन कैसा होगा टेप का? ऐसे, बिकॉज आप ये टेप को निकालोगे और फिर नीचे लगा के इसको इसके ऊपर चिपकाओगे. ओके, सो आइडियली आप क्या करोगे? यू विल आस्क द क्लाइंट टू लुक डाउन. ओके, यू विल रिमूव द टेप. ठीक है, टेप निकालने के बाद में क्या करोगे? इसको यहाँ पे ऐसे होल्ड करोगे. ओके, यहाँ पे आप इसको ऐसे होल्ड करोगे, बट नॉट ऑन द ग्लू. ओके, उसके बाद आप इसको क्लिप के साथ कितना इंच नीचे लगाओगे? 1/4 इंच. तो इसको आप क्या करोगे? इसको ऐसे सिक्योर कर दोगे. दिख गया? सो दिस इज सिक्योर. अब मुझे क्या करना है? सिर्फ ये ऊपर वाला मुझे निकालना है, एंड देन इसको सिर्फ मुझे किसका हेल्प लग रहा है? अकेले करना है. नॉट टेकिंग एनी हेल्प. इसको मुझे नेचुरल फॉल में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ द टेल कोम. आई एम दिख रहा है? ये देखो, जितना भी शॉर्टर आएगा ऐसे, नथिंग इज गेटिंग ओवर डायरेक्टेड. दिख रहा है? ऐसा ऐसा भी नहीं करना है, मुझे नीचे करना है. इमल्सिफाई करते हैं हम लोग कलर, कैसे करते हैं? ऐसे नीचे, ऐसा ऐसा नहीं करते हम लोग. तो ये भी कैसा करना है आपको? इसको मैं पुल कर रहा हूँ, ये हेयर को स्लाइड, एंड देन आई एम स्टिकिंग इट. क्लियर? उसके बाद मैं क्या करूँगा? आई वुड नाउ रिमूव दिस. Yeah, I'll remove this, and now I have my splice. ठीक है? Here again what I would do is, जो भी मेरा unwanted है ना, उसको मैं साइड कर दूंगा. आप जो बोल रहे थे ना, आपका पुल हो रहा था, इस वजह से भी होता है. Because if we are not removing the hair pieces which is not required, then it would get pulled. You can see this shorter hair, and this is the most difficult hair to do extensions, because straight hair mein nothing comes in between, but this kind of hair you have to be careful that nothing is coming on your section. What you will do again, you would clip it over here so that ये नीचे में नहीं हो mix. I remove my second, again कैसे? नीचे की तरफ. So you can check out the minute gestures also जो मैं कर रहा हूँ. शायद मैं बोलूँगा नहीं, but you can always notice it. Again what I'm doing, I'm removing the tape, और मैं बिल्कुल भी यहाँ पे टच नहीं कर रहा हूँ. थोड़ा सा मैं टच करूँगा, क्या होगा? वहाँ से थोड़ा ग्लू का इफेक्ट निकल जाएगा. Now again what I will do is, I would lift my section. Okay, I will remove the tape, and then okay, on top of it I would same paste it. Can you see? And now how I'm doing it, see? कैसे? 2 करने के बाद आई एम यूजिंग माय फ्लैट आयरन, ओके, एंड आई एम जस्ट स्लाइटली, ऑन नहीं करना है।
कर्ली बाल डिफिकल्ट होते हैं, इसके लिए करना नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं है, ज़्यादा करना है।
हाँ,
या दिल से कर्ली है ना, half of the stylists are scared to wash my hair
Yeah.
because they feel it gets knotted. No, they
Yeah.
just run away.
can you see
No, they're scared of you.
No, they are scared of doing
Your
such
hair.
kind of hair.
the distance 1/4 इंच, उससे ज़्यादा रहेगा तो क्या लगेगा, 1 महीना पहले लगा एक्सटेंशंस, बट सर्विस कभी किया, आज। हाइलाइट्स में हम लोग बोलते हैं ना क्लोजर टू द रूट्स, इसमें कितना क्लोज जाना है, ओनली 1/4 इंच, ओके। नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज आई एम जस्ट गोना प्ले विथ इट, ओके। इज एनीथिंग पुलिंग, मैम? श्योर? नाउ
No,
नाउ
no.
नाउ आई एम ओवर डायरेक्टिंग इट टू ईच साइड। अगर मैं यहाँ पे पुल करूँ तो शायद से यहाँ पे कोई चिपका हो तो वो खींचे, अगर मैं यहाँ पे पुल करूँ तो यहाँ पे अगर कुछ आया तो वो पुल करे। इफ आई एम स्ट्रेचिंग इट लाइक दिस, शायद से ऊपर से या नीचे से कुछ चिपका हो। 3 times 4 times you have to ask, it's okay,
Yeah.
that means the slice is properly put, very important, okay, clear? Now same चीज मैं क्या करूँगा, I will go on the next section. Technically it's always left and then the right. I'll remove my this clip, or otherwise I'm blessed with more clips over here, so I can actually use a lot of clips. Again, what I will do is and her hair is the most best hair to learn, I feel, guys. Okay, because if we can do it on her hair na, we can do it on any of the other hair, okay. That is one thing very important. Now what you will do, you will so that means none of the shorter hair is gonna come over here, okay. Can anybody tell me now what I have to do?
1/4 इंच लेना है और यहाँ से भी लिटिल गैप
Hairline.
Exactly, so I have to leave the hairline, so maybe technically I would leave this part. See now, अगर ये who had applied this for you, dear?
Don't remember.
Okay. Again, when you're applying the keratin tips also na, there is a technique of putting it, where this is something is not right. There has to be a circular section, which is not circular over here. So tips अभी machine अगर आ गया तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ कैसे करना है. That is a different technique of putting that, because this is something which is
Coming, na?
ये इतना section तो लेते ही नहीं है. That is wrong. Okay, so whoever is put it has to understand it. Again, क्या करूँगा मेरा second thing is
Who's going?
my slice. Okay. Again, it's not very thick, not very thin. Again, if you can see her natural hair texture na, it is not fine. It's in between, I can say medium and a coarse. Okay. So while you're taking the slice also na, you have to be very careful. अगर ये slice इनका hair अगर fine होता तो मैं क्या करता, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लेता. But इनका texture is more towards the coarse, so I'm taking a little finer slice.
Who do you want to pick up?
Just look down, बाबा. Extensions लगाते हैं हम लोग, मालूम है, पकड़ के जैसा रहता है.
सिर्फ सेंटर में जाके फोन करो रिहाना को, बताएगी कहाँ पे
साना को बोलो जो रिहाना को फोन करना है।
Just look down. And rhyming names. Sana, Rihanna. Okay, very important in the way you're taking the sections. Okay guys, again you check the thickness whether it is even. जो हम लोग slices में भी check करते हैं highlight में, it has to be even. What I'm gonna do is again twist the hair and then I will secure this so that it does not get mixed.
Harish, tell me, you are more particular simply because the texture of the hair is
No,
a bit
otherwise
more
also.
complicated also, or you would do it for irrespective of
Irrespective any of the hair types, this is the
Keep the
technique which you
technique
need to
in mind.
follow.
how.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, I'm taking out a video. I'll pass this video to you guys. So at your home, at your own convenience, go through it. It'll, the reason I'm doing this only for you guys, okay, you all can have a.
Irrespective the hair texture, you have to follow the same precise technique of actually application and the sections. Okay. Now the same thing you will do is you would
किसके पास है मशीन?
Ma'am, it's only in Andheri East right now.
ओनली खार वगैरह में नहीं है.
see.
Nahin.
Yeah.
That doesn't have, no? Only in
तो
Andheri
that
East.
day how many?
One is with Andheri West, Beam, but Beam is not there on work today. So he locks it in the drawer. So there's no point. Andheri East we can get it because Rihanna is here. She can guide him where it is kept.
Okay, just look down. Okay. Now again, what you will do is you will remove it. I would need one more. That section. Here. Before removing this, what I will do is I would actually secure our hair so that it is not getting jumbled up. Clear? Now again what I would do is take this, you have to be very careful, you have to only remove the tape, huh? Okay. Now again holding it not towards the, okay, it is strong enough that ये ऐसा हिलना नहीं है. Now look down. Again what I'm gonna do is, can you see? Even. Whether it takes more time also, it's okay, but the service has to be perfect. Okay. What I'm doing now is removing my filling. Okay. Because I secured that thing, nothing is gonna come in between, and then I'm just gonna please. Yeah. You don't have to be very hard also. Yeah.
I was just
Like
gonna
actually.
ask you,
Yeah.
I'm not going to be pulling it too.
And what I'm doing is just securing it. Okay. Again what I will do is I would remove the clip.
The tension when you're putting the thing on the sandwich, it's a natural thing. right?
Natural,
You're
not
pulling it
no,
to be
not
curly,
pulling it
to
much.
make it curly.
Yeah, it's not pulling it much. Usually how we apply foil, कितना tension लेते हैं हम लोग? Almost the same tension. Like we take the foil, we put it and we slightly pull the hair, and then we remove a tail comb and then we put it. Same tension. Okay. Again, somebody wants to remove it for me. अरे क्या कर दिया?
कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते हैं, अच्छी बात है।
Okay, so she is very smart. लास्ट वाले ट्रेनिंग में डर गई थी वो. क्या कर दिया?
मैंने नहीं डरी।
Okay, again you will remove it. Okay, you have to be very careful and nothing is coming. You can see this fine bits. Very careful. If it takes a little more time also, it's okay. But all these things should not come. You're removing the tape. Okay, and then you are just pasting it onto the 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Then you're taking your flat iron. This is something which I do, huh?
Yeah, it's not. I mean, nobody else does it. To be
Yeah.
quite honest. But good thing about he has made it very clear. It should not be hot.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the entire concept of not using hot or not using heat is out of the way. It just helps him keep it. तो जितने भी बाल यहाँ भी होते, it becomes nice and.
Exactly. So this is
जो
what,
आपके फिंगर से नहीं होते, वो इससे होते हैं.
वो इससे
Because it's
होता है.
flat iron.
this is not, Hasna has not asked me to do it.
Nobody does it. I mean, this is your
The video also
unique
goes
thing.
there.
Yeah. This is not done internationally. Nobody does it.
This is what I just use my
Yeah.
brains to
But
make
I
it
have
more.
seen somebody in overseas doing it. Yeah.
Because when you do hands-on, na, then you
Yeah,
have
yeah.
your own
Then you have your
technique,
yeah.
more,
Everybody of you all will adapt your own style. Eventually, आप लोग का खुद की एक style एक तरह का एक So Harsh has done it in his own beautiful
Yeah.
way. So learn it from the expert, but then gradually you all will be able to.
You would be experts.
Yeah, you will be like able to do it your own way, confidently.
Cool. Now, the last section. Yeah. Now what you have to do is just I believe in to be a bit precise. So even a smaller section would actually yeah, and then you secure the section. Okay, now what you will do is you'll remove the what? Hairline, which is very important. Okay, because once she's tying it, it should not be.
You don't move.
Beam is there. Beam is there, na? So in the center.
He's coming. Beena has asked him to come.
But
Yeah.
when I called him,
You remove a slice.
Where is that
he
machine?
said, but he informed me about the mail that is wrong. This is not the first time with me. Every time, and I told him, you go check with the mail. Probably
Okay,
mail
now you
not
need to
be-
look straight
But when I
away.
checked, the mail is
Don't talk.
already
Don't
been
talk.
gone.
Okay, just look down. Okay, again what you were doing is
Already gone every
checking
day.
the
I have not called
density.
anyone of them.
So I found the density is a bit more.
But I have not called anybody out of there. They all have come on their own. What's the point of putting them
We'll check
every
it.
time? Every
It's to be
time.
even.
Ask if I have called anybody. I have not called anybody. On the phone.
Look down.
Because
Look down.
I was with you till last night.
Yeah.
And before that I was not there. I was at home. So when I called him today, he's like, I'm not aware.
But you said
And
he's
like
not
this.
there in the center.
Oh, I thought probably it's a Monday, so probably he's not there in the center.
Again what I will do is
Then he said, then I am not aware of it. I said, okay.
If we had to call the center and told him to come,
Yeah.
he would have been here.
and then
But I called him in the morning at 10.
yeah. The curls comes out really nice, huh?
Nice, nice.
Not the straight.
Yeah, I know.
Straight one you have to be like very careful because you have to actually stretch.
Yeah.
Stretch, yeah. And curls, my height becomes shorter, no? The length becomes much
Exactly.
shorter because of the fact.
Okay. Hold it. Okay, now she has to look straight. Okay, you're holding it. Okay, exactly. Yeah, and removing the to be very gentle. natural fall. Okay, and then you can see all the sections has to be combed in natural fall. So whatever is this, it will get secured. Okay, remove this also. Yeah, then you hold the section, whatever is not there in your splice, remove it, just hold the section over here. Yeah, and then you're removing the and then you just secure this. Two, three, and then the AC is count off.
AC on करने बोल रहे हैं, चालू क्यों?
Yeah. Just to secure it nicely. It's okay, dear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and you don't have to pull it much, huh? Because it's very fresh. So don't stretch it. You have to be very careful and you have to be very gentle. Okay. So this is the first section that you have applied. What styling product do you use?
I use spiral flame.
Okay.